welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the June Nail Boxy by Red Iguana. Now the box has changed since the past nail boxes. Now instead of a pull-out box, it is now a flip-top box, and it has a different design on the front, and now it has wording that says open now, nail goodies inside. But on the sides of the box, it still keeps the traditional marble print. I can't decide on which box I like the best. I like both boxes. I like the old traditional box, and I like this new box. So now let's get into the goodies that come inside this June Nail Boxy. Alright, so this June Nail Boxy is going to feature a lot of products from the company Wildflower Nails. They're a nail company that has an array of nail products for you to choose from, and they also provide educational videos on how to use their products on YouTube. So let's get into this box. So the first product you see is going to be the Wildflower Nails Base Foundation. So this is a gel base, and it's in the color clear, and it also works UV and LED lamp. And I'm looking for the instructions on this. Most gel polishes or anything that's in the gel family usually has a directions on the side, but it does not. The next item is some nail charms. Now each box will vary on which ones you get, but these are the ones that I got. You see some pearls, you see some iridescent flowers, which I really like because iridescent is in right now. You also see some gold tiny pearls and other white flowers as well. So that's very nice, some good embellishments for nail art. Next is going to be the Wildflower Nails ink, and I got this color in color 800. This one looks like it looks black on camera, but it's really green. And nail ink is very fun when you want to make like marble nail designs or watercolor nails. Next is the Wildflowers Nail Spider Gel. So this gel is the type of gel that you see sometimes on designs where you can, you see the little fine lines and it kind of drizzles down your nail. So you can make different striped and drizzle designs and zigzag patterns with this type of nail gel. And I got it in a red color, and let me see if it has a number. It's called Dazzle Wine Spider Gel, and it's in 28 ounces, 0.28 ounces. Next is the Wildflowers Nail Build in a Bottle. So this is a gel builder in a bottle, and it's in the color clear. And for some of these items, the colors that you get, you can't choose the colors that you want, so it's what they pick. So the colors will vary. Next is the Wildflowers Nail Metallic Top Coat. And this one does have the directions on the back about how long to cure it. So it says it works in UV lamp or a LED lamp, which is always great. So it's compatible with both types of lamps. Next, you're gonna get a Wildflowers Nail Academy card. It just tells you about how to get to their website. So if you want to get more products, you can. And there's their website right there on the card. You're also gonna get some glitter. So you get different colors of glitter. I always like these nail boxes because it's always going to be some type of glitter in them. Like each box usually has some type of glitter product in it. These are very nice. Now I don't have to buy glitter. I was going to buy some glitter the other day, but now I got all the colors I need, so that's great. Last but not least, I'm down to our last and final item in this June Nail Boxy. And this is the Wildflower. This is going to be the Wildflowers Nail Glimmer Glitter. And it's 0.25 ounces. And it's cosmetic grade. And you get all of that. Like, I mean, that's a good size amount of glitter to get. Alright, so that was my last product. Now I'm going to lay all these products out in front of you, just so you can get an idea of all the things that you're going to get in this June Nail Boxy. I am pleased with this box. This is not a box to miss, especially if you've been wanting to try Wildflower Nail Academy's products, but maybe you've just been hesitating to do so, or maybe the price, you wasn't ready to pay the price of it, or whatever reason why you haven't bought it yet. This box is a great tester so that you can get an idea of what you like from them and their products. So these are all the products you get. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in this box. That's a lot just for $29, because since the last time I reviewed a box, they used to be $35, now they're $29. So I mean, that is really great. So for $29 you get all of these full-size products, and you get free shipping. Shipping is free. I know in the US, I don't know about international shipping for Nail Boxy, but I know in the US it's free. This box is a box that you do not want to miss. You get top coat, you get art ink, you get a gel builder, you get the base to go with the gel builder, you get spider gel, you get glitters, and you get embellishments. This is a really fun box, and this is one to really get if you're your first time trying Nail Boxy, or you're thinking about trying Nail Boxy for the first time. This would be the first box that I would get. Now, Nail Boxy goes on a subscription-based process, but you can also just purchase for a one-time purchase. Purchase past boxes from different months. Those boxes do go out of stock. So if you're watching this right now, I would go as of right now to the website to see if they still have it, if you're thinking about purchasing it, because you could go to sleep and wake up the next day and it not be there and you'd be mad. It's happened to me before with like the April box. Right now I'm not on a subscription, but I will, after this, I'm gonna pop up the screen on how the subscription work and how you can purchase. This is the Nail Boxy website. This is the how previous it looks. Boxes. And now I'll be showing you how to subscribe for the box or buy a past box. So how it works is you receive 5 to 10 nail products in a box, and they're $29.99 a month with free shipping. Now you want to click on choose a plan, and it brings you to a page to show you how the subscription service is broken down. So what they do, they open up the subscription for that month's box on the 1st of that month at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. They have a limited amount of spots that they take for subscriptions now, so it's on a first come first served basis. So what you want to do on the 1st of the month of that box, you want to go to that website by 12 a.m. and you'll be able to subscribe for that month's box, or how many months you want to subscribe for. And this is just showing that if you're a current subscriber, you don't have to subscribe each month unless you only subscribe for 1 month. Be sure to check out the Nail Boxy Instagram page for more information on the future nail boxes or any other questions or concerns. This is the coupon to Wildflower Nails. It's 20% off of $100 or more. It's subject to expire. I don't know when it does, but it will. Yeah. Let me check my chest, my breath.